Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, as you know, the government has been doing a lot in terms of infrastructure development in Jamaica. They've been building highways, and now they've announced that they're going to be spending 40 billion Jamaican dollars over the next year to improve and modernize 2,000 roads across the island. So, we are going to take a look at an article that gives us more information on the multi billion dollar road improvement project. Now, the government is building two main highways. Their construction is on the way. The highway from Harborview to Port Antonio, which is the Southern Coastal Highway, and they're also building a second highway, which is from Maypen to Mandeville, which is a part of Highway 2000. And they have plans to build or expand the Northern Coastal Highway that runs from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. So those are some of the major highway projects that they have on the way. And then now we're going to look at the 40 billion that is going to be spent to improve the roads in Jamaica, not the highways now. The money allocated to those three highway projects is separate from this $40 billion that they're going to be spending. So we're going to go through the article that gives more information, and then we discuss it after. The government is to implement a $40 billion road improvement project to modernize 2,000 roads across the island, says Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Dr. the Honorable Nigel Clark. Opening the 2023-24 budget debate in the House of Representatives, Minister Clark said repairs of the road networks will commence during the upcoming financial year and phased over 3 years under the theme Modernizing Our Roads for Our Shared Prosperity. This is part of the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network SPARK program, he added. The SPARK program is part of the government's multi-pronged strategy to respond to the decades of underinvestment in our nation's roads, the minister said, arguing that it will improve road safety and catalyze economic growth by restoring badly deteriorated public infrastructure. Dr. Clark stressed that the road network is the backbone of our economy, connecting businesses, industries, and individuals across the country, and the government considers the intervention as an emergency within the context of road deaths and the deteriorating state of the public thoroughfare. He said that with statistics on road deaths at a staggering level, it is our responsibility as a government to take action to reduce this burden on our healthcare system. The minister outlined that the project is aligned with the government's policy objectives, which contribute directly to several sustainable development goals and will result in the development of quality, reliable, sustainable, and resilient infrastructure, including regional and transborder infrastructure to support economic development and human well-being. He informed that the government has entered into an agreement with the International Finance Corporation (IFC) to act as transaction advisors for the North Coast Highway between Miami Bay and Montego Bay, which will start in the 2023-24 fiscal year. According to the minister, the government has also committed some $40 million to conduct a feasibility study for the bypassing of Runaway Bay and Discovery Bay to complement the current North Coast Highway widening project. Both projects will be implemented at a cost of US $1 billion on a phased basis over 3 years. Okay, so that is the end of the article. So guys, what do you think about the government spending 40 billion to fix 2,000 roads in Jamaica? I think it's a good thing, and it's something that's needed, and it's something that has to be allocated every year in the budget. Now, 40 billion will help, but it's not going to be enough. I mean, some of these roads are in a terrible state. So if they could do 40 billion every year, allocate 40 billion every year to the fixing of roads, then that will definitely be a move in the right direction. They can't all be fixed at the same time. We understand that because it's been decades. Some of these roads haven't been fixed in years. But it's a start, and it's a good thing. So hopefully they give us the list of roads soon and the timetable, and as soon as we get that, we will keep you guys updated. But as long as they allocate money in every budget towards the fixing of these roads, then that's a good start. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.